In this video I'm going to show you the benefits of using aloe vera juice for your natural hair. Aloe vera is an age-old beauty secret that Cleopatra and Nefertiti used in their daily skin regimes in ancient Egypt. There are many remedies for repairing damaged hair and skin, but aloe vera is one of the most effective. But how do you use this cactus plant on your hair? Aloe vera juice offers many benefits for natural hair. Healthy hair growth is probably one of its best benefits of all. Aloe vera contains natural polysaccharides that help to strengthen and thicken hair, and you can even drink it for an extra boost in hair nutrition. If you're looking for a way to get longer, thicker hair, aloe vera juice will help you get results. It creates the ideal environment for growing hair when you spray it on your scalp because it balances the pH levels. It will also help to heal the scalp and repair hair follicle cells so they can do their job. Aloe vera is incredibly hydrating and contains vitamins, enzymes, minerals, sugars, lignins, saponins, salicylic acids and amino acids. It's one of the best things you can do for your scalp and hair. Using aloe vera for hair growth is easy. If you're using a fresh leaf, slice it open, scoop out the gel and apply it directly to the scalp. Buying a 99 to 100% pure juice is another option, and it's almost as good as the fresh plant. Plus, purchasing the juice will give you a liquid to spray easily on the scalp. So all you need to do is follow these instructions. Combine half aloe vera juice and half of water in a spray bottle and shake it to mix. Spray on the scalp and hair liberally. Use your fingertips to massage the spritz into your scalp. You can either leave the aloe vera in your hair as a great leave-in conditioner, or you can just wash it out with shampoo. And if you're thinking of using aloe vera for bald spots, it's been known to stop alopecia and get the hair to grow again. Spray it in daily into the spots where you're experiencing hair loss and inflammation. Here's a breakdown of some other helpful benefits of aloe vera for hair. It's also known to smoothen the hair cuticle. Aloe vera helps to close the cuticle, which leads to an increased shine and decreased friction between the curls. Aloe vera has an effective sealing property that will give your hair a healthy appearance. It smooths your hair and gives your hair a great natural appearance and helps curls to glide past each other instead of tangling and knotting. Aloe vera also helps to penetrate and hydrate the hair shaft. Aloe vera stores a hefty amount of water inside its leaves. In fact, if you look at the label of some of the most natural shampoos, they sometimes list aloe vera instead of water as their first ingredient. Aloe vera is healing like water and can penetrate the hair strand and give the shaft the nutrients it needs. Aloe vera can also nourish the scalp. Aloe vera is one of the first things recommended to remedy a skin burn, and for good reason. It acts quick to penetrate the keratin on the skin and hair and sends nourishment that repairs and heals damage. It's the same with your scalp. Do you have an itchy or sore spot on your scalp? Apply aloe vera to repair and restore the skin. It's an anti-inflammatory and provides immediate relief. Aloe vera is also great for dandruff. Many women suffer from dandruff resulting from a dry scalp. Spraying aloe vera juice on the scalp will help to restore the pH balance of the skin and fight off dandruff. Finally, decrease the frizz. All curly women make it a priority to combat the frizz, and aloe vera can help. The amino acids in aloe vera help to control stray hairs and smoothen them into a more defined curl pattern. The hydration factor also helps to calm the frizz down. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to use aloe vera for hair growth, and if you have, please give this video the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you want to know more health benefits for aloe vera, then just watch this video on 52 health benefits, beauty tips and life hacks for aloe vera. Thanks for watching and bye for now.